Poor site selection is one of the leading causes of clinical trial delays. ePharmaSolutions has taken the guesswork out of the site feasibility process by developing an online site feasibility application that pharmaceutical companies and CROs can use to accelerate and improve global protocol and site feasibility. The site feasibility application is a configurable cloud-based application that leverages the EPS database of over 220,000 investigators in 130 countries and allows study teams to quickly and efficiently recruit, survey, and select sites for any study in a matter of minutes. Site feasibility programs can be developed and deployed in less than an hour. The site feasibility application allows study teams to design an online feasibility survey that includes weighting algorithms to rank each site according to their ability to succeed in a given study. Teams can then author study-specific notifications, such as invites, reminders, and acceptance rejection letters, and then search the EPS investigator database to develop a short list of potential investigators for their study, and add electronic medical record data on over 200 million unique patients to determine the number of disease-specific patients each physician treats. Once the target list of sites is selected and notifications finalized, the SFA can then programmatically send the invites and reminders to the target list, and study teams can view the responses as they come in. Once a site completes the online feasibility survey, the study teams can view the survey responses and the site ranking and change the site status to trigger the next communication. For example, if a site status is changed to reject due to a low score on the feasibility survey, the system will send out the customized rejection letter. The site feasibility application is a component of the ePharmaSolutions award-winning clinical trial portal solution. The next few slides will introduce you to some of the features of the site feasibility application. The site feasibility application can be launched from the clinical trial portal homepage. This is the Site Feasibility Application Survey Management tab. Surveys can be developed from scratch or cloned from past surveys, or developed from the question library. Surveys can be organized into role-based folder structures as well. This is an example of the survey authoring screen. Questions can include intelligent branching, weighting algorithms, and scored responses. Surveys can have over 30 question types, and past questions can be easily inserted from the question library. The site feasibility application can also auto-populate a site's past responses, making it easier and faster for them to complete your feasibility survey. The site feasibility application includes a configurable electronic confidentiality agreement with e-signature and supports redline negotiation of CDAs. The Display tab allows the author to configure how the survey will look to the end user. And the Access tab allows the survey author to control access to the survey, as well as the number of times a user can answer a question or survey. Once a survey is developed, a distribution list needs to be linked to that survey. Each distribution list can include a set of custom fields. Distribution lists can be generated by either searching the EPS investigator database, uploading an Excel file from an external list, or simply typing in the individual email addresses of the users. The SFA can include licenses to the CRID, ePharmaSolutions Clinical Research Investigator Database. This includes information on more than 220,000 investigators in 130 countries, organized by therapeutic interests, clinical trial experience, geography, and can include EHR data on more than 200 million unique patients linked to the rendering physician in the United States. EPS can also configure the SFA to support custom fields from a client's own investigator database. Study teams query the database and select the sites they would like to add to the distribution list. Once a distribution list is developed, the author will customize the invitations and reminders. Each invitation can include tags to insert custom fields from the database, like the protocol number or the study name. Once the messages are completed, the feasibility campaign can be launched. Once the campaign is launched, the site feasibility application includes a powerful reporting tool that allows study teams to review individual user responses, summary responses, customize their own reports, and even generate survey-to-survey comparisons on a single user or set of users. The campaign tracking tool allows study teams to know the number of surveys sent, the number of responses, and the rank of each respondent, as well as a quick link to each respondent's individual answers. And this is what an individual respondent answer report looks like. The SFA includes a filter tool so that teams can build queries to include or exclude responses. For example, a team may want to know the number of respondents in Germany that see more than 2 breast cancer patients per week. And this is the summary response tab and bar chart display. And here's an example of how ranked responses look in bar chart visualization. The SFA reports have configurable visualization tools. The SFA allows study teams to review site responses and either approve or reject the survey when they see responses that may be inaccurate. Rejecting a survey will send a response back to the site with comments or questions about the response for the site to review and update. Study teams can also change the question weightings to adjust the ranking algorithms throughout the study to ensure the correct weighting was applied for that study, or adjust for things like protocol amendments. Finally, the site feasibility application allows study teams to export the data in a variety of formats, or integrate the data with a business intelligence engine. In summary, the site feasibility application allows study teams to develop an online feasibility survey with ranking algorithms and intelligent branching, customize the invitations and notifications, develop a short list of potential sites for the study, and then start feasibility in less than an hour. If you'd like more information, please call 610-832-9915 for a demonstration or pricing discussion.